you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
He didn't have it.
He was there, but then when I came back, he wasn't there.
He probably in the lane. Ooh. What's going on, man? All right. How everything been going?
Living the dream.
Yeah, man, that's all we can do. Huh? Can I get in? I don't know if he did on that side. How you like that? That's a nice frame you got, like a cage there.
Oh yeah, I had to do it.
That's a custom made deal right here.
Call it how it is. Good. Pose and swag. Good, good. Yo.
You gotta get that demo with your eyes closed. You gotta get that demo with your eyes closed. Ain't no way. Woo. What subs are those?
No Omegas, if I.
No Omega 5. That's like a 4-inch coil. Yeah.
They big.
Yeah.
They was not fun loading.
Man, and the thing about it is, like, I didn't even start smelling it until the whole high note. You got through the whole demo almost.
They what now?
I could barely smell it, just now. Take a lot of power though, don't it? What you got, four, one pair?
Yeah, one part and a half on.
Oh yeah, you got a lot of them. Yeah, man. Man, what's the next show you going to?
What is the next show?
Hey, we ain't got them like we used to.
Whatever the next show. Like I said, I pull on trailer and go.
Yeah, I know you don't drive this thing.
I did, but now that I got the trailer and all that.
There ain't no point in it. Okay, let them know they can find you on social media. You on Facebook and all that. Let them know where they can find you at.
I can't hear you.
I said let them know they can find you on Facebook or TikTok.
You can find me on Facebook, Stephen Mayville.
Okay. Y'all know I'm gonna tag them down below, man. It was good seeing you, man. Yes, sir. You gotta sleep in this one to get that demo. You gotta close your eyes. Let me. Ooh. Yeah. Huh?
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.